In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Canva. If you're working on a design and you want to reuse the same layout, style, or content without rebuilding everything from scratch, duplicating a page is one of the easiest and most helpful features in Canva. It saves time, keeps your design consistent, and makes editing much more efficient, especially when you're creating presentations, social media posts, planners, or multi-page documents. To get started, open Canva and either create a new design or open an existing project. Once your design is on screen, go to the page or canvas that you want to copy. From there, you have a few simple ways to duplicate it. The first method is to look at the upper right area of the page inside your design workspace. You should see a few page controls there, including options like Lock Page and Add Page. Alongside those, you'll also find the Duplicate Page button. Click that and Canva will instantly create an exact copy of the current page. This is usually the most visual and beginner-friendly option, especially if you prefer using on-screen controls. The second method is to right-click directly on your canvas or on the page you're working on. When the menu appears, look for the option that says Duplicate Page. Then click it. This method is great if you're already used to right-click menus and want a quick alternative without moving your cursor around too much. The last method is even faster if you like keyboard shortcuts. Simply press Ctrl+D on your keyboard while the page you want to duplicate is selected. Canva will immediately make a copy for you. This is a very convenient option when you're working quickly or duplicating multiple pages in a row. All three methods do the same thing, so you can use whichever one feels most comfortable for your workflow. If you're editing a series of similar pages, duplicating first and then changing the text, images, or colors can make the whole process much smoother. That's all there is to it. Duplicating a page in Canva is simple, fast, and incredibly useful once you get into the habit of using it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.